नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है हिमांशु और आप देख रहे हैं ह्यूमन टेक। तो आज मैं आपके लिए एक टॉपिक लाया हूँ, दैट इज सैमसंग मेड अ कमबैक। तो सैमसंग ने एक कमबैक करा है A52s के साथ, जो उसका बहुत डिमांडिंग फ़ोन था अंडर 30,000, बट अब ये 30,000 के अंदर नहीं आता है। दिस कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 35,000, जिसमें आपको एक नॉट 2 भी मिल जाएगा, दैट इज़ 12/256 वेरिएंट। तो आज हम इसी फ़ोन को अनबॉक्स करेंगे और डिस्कस करेंगे कि क्या सैमसंग ने एक कमबैक करा है अपने स्मार्टफोन इंडस्ट्री में, जो कि वो लैग कर रहा था बहुत टाइम से कि अंडर 30,000 सैमसंग का कोई भी ऐसा फ़ोन नहीं है जो ख़रीदा जाए। एक A52 था, बट अब उसकी भी प्राइस बढ़ा दी गई है, दैट इज़ नॉट अंडर 30,000, दैट इज़ अंडर 40,000 नाउ। एंड विल बी कंपेयरिंग, I'll not compare actually, I'll just unbox this phone and make you clear that what it is, and does Samsung really made a comeback with this phone, or does it lacks under 30,000 budget or under 40,000 budget. So let's discuss it about it and let's unbox it. So let's get started. So today I'll not be unboxing this phone on a table, I'll be unboxing in front of you, and let's see what it is. And it is on the black color, as you can see on the box. So let me take out the phone first, which is important, and let me keep it aside, and let me show you one thing, that it has got the type C cable and 25 watt power adapter. I don't know why Samsung calls it a super fast charger. I don't know. 25 watt is not a super fast charger. In this price range you get the 65 watt dart charger and drop charge and so many other chargers that charge much more quickly than this one. So let keep it aside. And now we have one more pamphlet inside the box, and let me see what it is. So here's a sim ejector tool and some paperwork. I'll not be opening this, it's of no use actually. So let's see the phone and let me unwrap it. This is the phone that is in a black color, and today I thought not to use the table actually, because on the table I do most of my videos on the table itself for unboxing. And today let me take out the wrapper and keep it aside. It sounds good. And this is the phone. Actually this looks pretty premium, and this is my first look. I've never seen this phone before. Today I'm unboxing it and I'm unboxing in front of you. तो मैंने कभी देखा भी नहीं था ये फ़ोन, एंड मैंने कभी अनबॉक्स नहीं करा था। आज ही मेरे पास बॉक्स आया है, तो आज ही मैंने इसको अनबॉक्स भी करा है। तो आप देख सकते हैं ये बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है, दैट इज़ अ मैट फिनिश, एंड it's a fingerprint magnet, but not that much. As you can see, it's a fingerprint magnet, and you have a quad camera setup, and the primary camera consists of 64 megapixel, then 12 megapixel ultra wide, and then 2 and 2 macro and telephoto itself. So that's about it. And the frame is actually the plastic frame and a plastic bag, that's a polycarbonate bag. So no metal frame and no glass bag, only the glass in the front, and that is Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And you can see there is no screen guard installed, pre-installed screen guards. So I don't know why Samsung does it. So let me boot it first, and till then I'll overview this phone and I'll tell you some about. So here is the SIM ejector tool. You can see SIM card tray actually, and the noise cancellation mic, secondary noise cancellation mic, and on the down we have a speakers and a type C port and a 3.5 mm headphone jack. So that's a great thing Samsung has done. It's a 3, and the display actually it's good. It's 6.5 inches display, so it's a super AMOLED display, 120 Hz display, and it's a 5. So I set it up the phone and I've got the fingerprint in it, मतलब मैंने fingerprint install कर लिया है अपना, तो आप देख सकते हैं, and this works fine. थोड़ा डिले है, but it's quite okay. I'll not say it's bad, it's good. And the refresh is 120 Hz, और जो मेरे पास वेरिएंट है that is 8128, so that is good. और camera performance is actually great. So the main camera is on OIS, that is optical image stabilization, and the video you can record on it, it's 4K 30 FPS and 1080p and 60 FPS and so on for the lower resolutions. As you know, actually, if you are willing to buy this phone, and the camera is actually good. Actually, if I share some screenshots, it will be better. So I'll try to share some screenshots, so wait for it. I have to capture some of more photos to actually review the camera of A52s, and it's very crisp, as the Samsung displays are always much better than any other of the smartphones. Actually, I have Note 2 and I have to show you once. Wait a minute. So yes, I am back with my Note 2 and I have actually purchased it. So if I talk about the display, it has 90 hertz display, my Note 2, and I'll be reviewing this as well. A very long term review for 2 months. I'm using this phone for 2 months now, and it's great phone. I'll not say it's not good, and I think so this is the value for money phone under 30,000. So I purchased it 8128, and this is also a 8128 variant, and it looks good. The Snapdragon 778 is, I think so, the Antutu scores are between 5 and 5.5 lakhs, and this one is also it's on Dimensity 1200, so it also performs the same. But some of the phones from Realme, I guess, which scores above 6 lakhs for Dimensity 1200, I don't know what kind of performance they are using, and they are optimizing their phones very well. So I'll not say what the Antutu scores. I'm playing BGMI on this. I'll test everything and I'll show you everything before I'll be doing this long term review. So today I am doing this because Samsung said they made a comeback. They made a comeback with this A52s, but it's slightly expensive. It's about 35,000, and if you go for 12 GB and 256, it is around 40,000. So it's very expensive, and the box and the MRP on the box for this variant is actually 40,999. So I'll not say anything, I'll not comment anything about this phone before I test it, and I don't think so I want to test it, because it's a good it's an average phone. You can consider it if you are a camera lover, but if you are a video lover, then I'll say go for OnePlus Nord. So that is much better for videos and night photography. Of course, the OnePlus is a master, and I've clicked some of the photos. If you want to see, I'll tell you. And today only I captured some of the photos, and I'm impressed with the camera. Actually, yes, I have captured this photo, and this consists of stars and the trees I captured. So it's really good, and it's pleasing on the eyes, not on the pixels. If you zoom it, it will not be a same picture as you saw before zooming it. So that's about it. That's about the unboxing. If you like the video, if you want to support me so that I can help you out before you buy a smartphone or before you invest some money on the smartphone, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. I'll be seeing you in the next video. That is for sure. I'll be going for the Note 2 full review. So keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you.